This video is about my Cafe Racer. I'll be explaining in detail exactly how this bike has come to be, what it is. You got to understand this bike is more than 4 years old. There are few damages that I will need to fix in the near future. My mirrors have also given way. But apart from that, the bike is perfect. This bike started as a normal Rxz 4-speed. Purchased it for 11,000. By the time the bike has come in this condition, I'd spent more than 1,10,000 on it. Now let me explain how. Number one, obviously the green tax passing it, so that consumed around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. Every part of this bike is brand new, original Yamaha product itself. So the engine had been completely rebuilt from scratch. What you see over here is not a 135cc piston, it's approximately 140cc piston, the last size possible. The carburettor original, made in Japan. I have also changed the gearbox. I have converted it from a 4-speed to a 5-speed. So yes, it does help during highway runs. What you see over here are the rims. Now I had two options, either take the original Yamaha rims and have a thicker tire, or take a little heavier, sturdier rims and have normal size Yamaha tires. So these rims over here, these rims belong to the Hero Honda CBZ, the first model. Now if you compare the thickness of the rims, it's much more, and the rims are sizably heavier. Now how I've come to that conclusion, I obviously weighed it as opposed to the stock rims that I've received, and yes, they are far heavier. But considering the road conditions, I don't see any bumps in the rims. The rims are extremely sturdy, nor do you see any rust on the rims. Really good quality rims over here. I've also opted for additional spokes. This is purely for looks, nothing more, but yes, that has increased the weight of the tire. Now with reference to tires, I opted for a Seat in front, and I had seen this particular thread design on a particular bike on the internet. Took me 3 months to search for this. Well worth the wait. The rear tire is Seat as well. Good grip, and it gives a little knobby look which goes with the Cafe Racer. This exhaust that you see over here, this has also been custom made. It is not just purchased from the market. This has been custom made specifically in tune to this particular engine. Now with reference to practicality, yes, this is a Cafe Racer, but this cowl is designed in such a way that once you remove it, it becomes a two-seater bike. Once you remove it, 2 people can sit. This cowl is also metal made. I had to spend a lot of time and money behind it, but well worth it. Shall put this over here. Spend a lot of time sourcing the right set of lights as well. The mudguard has been custom made. The headlight that you see over here, this belongs to the Thunderbird. It is more effective in the night as compared to the Rxz. So to give a uniform look, the handlebar has also been wrapped, but this is pure leather. The instrument panel that you see over here, this belongs to the Yamaha Enticer. Again, difficult to source, but no problem so far. You've seen it's covered hardly 2,500 kilometers. 4 years, 2,500 kilometers, but I'll be riding it more often now. The suspension, this belongs to the first generation TVS Victor. Extremely effective, and obviously it does add to the looks. The rear swing arm, this belongs to a Gladiator. It isn't a direct fit. There had to be a certain amount of customization over here. What this does, it gives the RX 3-4 inches. It basically just the length of the RX increases by 3 to 4 inches, and it gives a good look as well. The chassis has been painted silver. This is sky blue with silver lines. So with reference to the engine, What you have here is a Pipercross air filter, original Japanese carburetor, 140cc cylinder, 5cc larger than the original stock, a 5-speed gearbox, and a custom exhaust. It is pretty powerful. Haven't really tested the top speed, but should do it soon. So that's about it. Hope you liked it. Thank you.